Hey, Doc, I ain't come here for no session. I came here to tell you this. A woman reached out to me online and said she wanted to hook up me and you at the same time. Now, I got some rules, Doc. First of all, never look me in my eyes directly. No reason why we should be looking into each other's pupils while this is going down. Two, absolutely no contact between me and you. A fist bump at best one time. And three, please keep your socks on, Doc. I didn't sign up for this so I could look at gargoyles' feet throughout this whole session. So if you could just do that, that's all I have to say. And
Damn, Gene. Sorry I'm late, man.
what up, Doc?
Who was you talking to?
Oh, me? I was just rehearsing for this audition I got tomorrow.
The way you was talking, it sounded like it was for OnlyFans.
OnlyFans, come on, man. What I look like a freak?